Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. As you guys can tell from this title, this is going to be a wig install. My first wig install. Actually, not really my first one, but my first updated wig install. Thank you, Amazon, for sending me this wig. And you guys, I did put in some blonde highlights in here just to give it a different look. And for the first time ever, y'all, your girl finally tried the side part and it definitely gave what it needed to. But I will be showing you guys how to achieve this flawless look. And this is definitely beginner friendly. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into the video. All right, you guys, here is the wig. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my edges back because we want to save the edges, and I will not be doing the bald cap method with this because this is going to be a glueless install, and honestly, I do not like wearing the bald cap under my wigs because it does pull out on my edges a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. And honestly, I prefer to style my wigs on a wig stand before putting it on my head. So as you can see, it's already parted and everything. So we're going to get straight into it, okay? So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need a hot comb because you want to make sure that your wig is flat. Okay, baby, I love my wigs flat, so I'm always going in with my hot comb, making sure that the front is flat, the back is flat, everything is flat, okay? All right, so we're going to be using the Ebin Melting Spray. This right here, you guys, this is the secret to the extra hold, okay, baby? You don't even need a glue. All you need is a spray. I used to use the spritz, but now I use the Ebin Melting Spray. Honestly, I still use both, to be honest, but this will do it for you, honestly. So after I go in spraying this around my edges and making sure that the lace is flat, all right, so now we're gonna go in with the elastic band to keep the wig flat, to keep the lace flat, because we don't want it to be lifting. So during this time, honestly, sometimes I would use a blow dryer, but since we're about to curl the hair and get this hair looking cute or whatever, I'm just going to put the elastic band on and leave it on while I style the rest of the hair. All right, y'all, let me show y'all the secret to a flat wig, okay? So what you want to do is you want to use your wax stick first, and then I spray a little bit of Got2B spray, and then I use my hot comb. And y'all, when you hear that, you know it's getting flat, okay? All right, you guys, so we're about to get started and curl the hair. So first you want to use your heat protecting spray and make sure that you comb through the hair before you curl. Please, 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 please make sure you do that. All right, so when you are curling, you want to make sure that you are curling away from your face. So every time that you put the hair on the wand, you want to make sure that you are curling away from your face, and that is how you achieve the bouncy curls. And you guys are going to see it in just a little bit. You'll see how excited I got. Look at that, y'all. Look at that bounce. Yes. All right, so now we're just gonna curl the rest of the hair, and I will come back when we are almost done. All right, y'all, so we just have this one last piece left before we do the edges and comb out the curls and get to the finishing touches. And I just burned myself. Beauty is pain. We gonna get through it, y'all. Yeah, that's why they be having them gloves, y'all. Y'all know how, like, when you used to get like your wand and stuff, like your curling iron, it'll come with like gloves and stuff. I see why they be having it, because y'all, the way I be burning myself is so crazy. We are done. Now it's time to comb through it. And we will see the results. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the band, and I'm gonna show you guys how the lace melts, okay? Like, honestly, as you can see throughout this entire process, I didn't do nothing at all. I just left this band on my head, and let us reveal the lace. Yeah. Y'all see that? What lace? What lace? Don't play with it. Don't ever play with it. When I get done with these edges, yeah, don't play with it. It's over with. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do the edges, and I will come back for the final look, okay? All right, y'all, it's time to comb these curls out. I must say, this is probably my favorite part of the process. Now, y'all, look at this. It is coming together. Oh my God, purr. Look at that bounce. Stiff wear. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Nah, my hands are really blessed because this look gave what it needed to give. And the side part, y'all, the side part, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to try this side part again. I love it here. But y'all, that is it. Here is the finished look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all comment down below and tell me what you think. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. And make sure you share this video with your friends, your aunties, your uncles, and everybody else, okay? Always remember that you are loved by God. See you guys in my next video.